Hello everyone, and let's talk about how DIY can unlock productivity and flexibility alike. And the key is that AI, not office location, should define the future of work. Over half of the workers in a GoTo survey say AI will make physical offices obsolete. Most employees prefer AI-enhanced remote work over being in office. AI boosts work-life balance and productivity from home, and workers believe AI is a higher priority than variety of in-office amenities. Employees prefer to build AI tools, not debate where they should work. Employees are driving AI adoption from bottom up. According to Microsoft, AI adoption was widespread among employees who are building their own tools using low-code platforms like Microsoft Copilot Studio and Salesforce Einstein 1. These tools are great for letting non-specialists build robust AI assistants. When employees build AI agents, flexibility becomes a performance strategy. Now, we know that hybrid and remote work arrangements have stabilized globally. A study by Stanford University also found that hybrid work cut attrition without harming performance, whereas another study showed that AI assistants for support agents lifted productivity by 14% in another. So there is a lot of research showing the benefits of AI and a lot of research showing the benefits of flexibility, and they go very well together. Now, of course, you need governance. Governance is what turns citizen developers into a powerful force that reinforces your performance. Empowerment without structure invites risks and shadow AI usage. So you need to formalize employee-built AI using a governed structured process with clear standards for data access, approvals, and monitoring. This approach provides safe access and prevents security issues. So you want to treat AI as a key part of the employee experience, and you want to shift your budgets from office perks to AI training and enablement tools. Train your teams on designing prompts and safe use of company data. Create a shared gallery for employees to publish their AI assistants. Celebrate wins publicly to make AI development part of the culture, and reinforce that flexibility will be a reward and a benefit for effective AI usage. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wise Decision Maker Show. Please make sure to subscribe wherever you checked out the show and leave a review. It helps other people discover the show and helps us improve the show. And if you have any questions, email me at gleb, Gleb, @disasteravoidanceexperts.com.